everyone, welcome back to Learn with your librarian. I'm Kara and I'm a librarian at the Community Library of DeWitt in Jamesville. Today's lesson will teach you how to use the video platform FaceTime, which has proved to be a crucial tool during this time, and hopefully a way that you can communicate with your family and friends. So if you're having trouble figuring out how to use FaceTime on your smartphone, this is the tutorial for you. This tutorial has been created and recorded by my colleague Laura, who is a technological expert, I should say, and we are very grateful for her help once again putting everything together.
Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to use FaceTime. FaceTime is a video calling app that is only available for Apple users. It allows you to make video calls with other Apple users. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the FaceTime app on your iPhone or iPad and tap on its icon. As it says here, you can start a FaceTime call by entering a name, email address, or phone number. But it's important to note that the other person needs to have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer for you to call them. To add someone, you want to tap on this plus button in the top right corner. Next to where it says To, you can type in someone's name if they're in your contacts, like this. You can also tap the plus button to the right to look at your contacts list and choose someone from the list. If that's the only person you want to talk to, you can just tap either audio or video to start an audio or video call with that person. But you can also add multiple people to a FaceTime call. Let's say the next person I want to add isn't in my contacts. I can just type in their phone number right next to person 1 like this. So then, once you've added all the people you want to be in the call, you can select audio or video. Audio works like any other regular phone call and is voice only. Video allows you to have both voice and video. I'm going to tap video for this example. Once you select audio or video, the other person or people just need to accept the call for you to connect. There are a few options at the bottom of the screen once you start your call. You can toggle your camera on and off by tapping the camera icon, and you can toggle your microphone on and off by tapping the microphone icon. You can also flip your camera between the front-facing camera that shows yourself and the rear-facing camera that's on the back of your phone. And finally, to end the call, just press the red X on the right side of the screen.